Video we're going to be talking about TD Bank app not working, and these are the fixes that you can try. So first things first, when it comes to logging in or the app not working, it could also be your credentials. So first things first, verify your credentials, ensure that you are entering your username and password correctly, and do not just use the autofill. The other thing you can do is going to be by checking outages. So for example, the TD application server could be down. In order to do that, you can simply head into your Safari and then simply go ahead and check for TD Bank server status, just like that, and click on the first link that is going to go ahead and show you in real time if it is on outage. As you can see, it's not. So if that is not the problem, also ensure that you have a strong internet connection. Try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, and in order for a quick Wi-Fi reset, simply turn on and turn off your airplane mode and your network will be reset. If none of those fixes it, the best way you can go ahead and fix it is going to be by uninstalling your application, restarting your phone, and then reinstalling your application. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything that you needed to know. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.